Hey guys, so for today's video it's going to be a little bit different. I kind of just wanted to film throughout the day, kind of like a day in my life type of vlog. I thought it would have been interesting, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm currently doing a face mask. I'm using this formula, and this is the BEVERLY Clear Illuminating Peel Mask. I like this one. I like peel off mask because it's less messy. And I got this from Ulta. So yeah, it has like this weird smell to it. Like, it smells like berries, but it has like a glue type of scent. That's why my face is all like shiny and weird. Just writing in my bullet journal. I love this. It's super cute. I got it from a store called Typo. And I love how cute it is. It's all marbled, and then it has this really cute rose gold elastic, and then I have this cute rose gold pen that I also got from Typo. And then I'm also just watching some YouTube. How cute is this stuffed dog? He's so cute. It's a husky, and it has blue eyes. My boyfriend got it for me for Christmas because he knows that one day I want us to get a husky with blue eyes, and I thought it was super cute and thoughtful. This is my favorite area in my room because it literally has rose gold, everything. I just have some jewelry. My current favorite perfume, which is by Tory Burch. It's the Love Relentlessly. Hi, babe.
Hi, baby.
So right now I'm gonna go ahead and shower, get ready, show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing, and show you guys what I'm doing throughout the day. So let's get started. Time to get ready. I always start off my brows. Always, always. This brush is amazing. This is by Sephora. It is their Pro Brow Brush. I like to kind of go a couple shades lighter on my concealer for my eyes because I like to use it as a brow bone highlight. I'm literally just carving them out. Am I like the only person that puts concealer in their eyelids? I don't know. I still do it. I know it's super old school, but I like doing it. I'm gonna be taking my Modern Renaissance palette. This palette is my absolute favorite. I can do almost any look with this palette. I'm gonna take the shade Burnt Orange and pop that into the crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of Realger. It is a super, super orange color. I'm putting that in the crease as well. I just literally just tap real quick because it is super pigmented. So I'm literally putting it from corner to corner, and I'm like leaving the center blank. Then going in with the Master by Mario palette. I'm gonna go in with Violetta. This is a more brown, a warmer brown. You can go in with the brown that's in the palette, but this one isn't as warm as I want it to be. So I'm gonna just take a little, what would you call it? It's like a bullet pencil brush, and I'm gonna pop that in the outer portion, right in the inner corners. And again, we're leaving the center blank. I know it looks funny right now, but trust me, once we blend it all out, it's gonna look super good. And then you're gonna just kind of slowly start blending the edges. You want to stay right on top of the color, because if you are too messy with this and bringing it out, it's gonna look super messy. I'm gonna just take a little bit of burnt orange on a fluffy brush and kind of brush out the edges more so it's more seamless. A little bit of concealer. Pop that right in the center. And I'm gonna be taking Primavera. And then we're gonna take the fluffy brush again with a little bit of burnt orange and blending those two colors together. Okay, so popped on some lashes, did my wing liner, looking super fleeky. I'm gonna just do my foundation and everything else. Oh, I've been using the Juno & Co microfiber sponge. It is super amazing. I love it. It helps me create the most flawless foundation look ever. And then I'm gonna be using the Sephora Snow Glow palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. I just love the packaging. It's rose gold. And it comes with a big mirror. We're gonna go in with my absolute favorite. This is the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. And then we're gonna kind of set the whole face with a little bit of m.a.c Fix Plus. So this is the finished makeup look. Flawless, I love it, it's gorgeous. So this is the makeup of the day. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think down below.
Stuck to the plan, even though you used to go with my man. You'll find another life to live.
I forgot to do an OOTD, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. I'm wearing this oversized jean jacket with a black tank top, black jeans, and my Vans. And I'm kind of wearing the jacket like off the shoulder type of look. I'm kind of digging it.
Do you want a leash here?
No, the other way. The other way.
Need it this way?
Thank you. Hey guys, sorry I forgot to film an outro. I actually just got home. I washed my face and did everything I needed to do to get ready for bed. Kyle and I actually went to go on a little date. We went to go eat some ramen, which was bomb. It was so good. And then after we went to a place called Creamistry, and what it is basically is nitrogen ice cream. Sorry, I'm like super tired. And then we went to his house for a bit and hung out, and I fell asleep. So I'm actually FaceTiming Kyle right now, but he fell asleep on the phone. This video, I don't even know how it turned out. I hope it turned out okay. I'm thinking it's gonna be kind of like a day in my life, or kind of in the looks of that, or if it's not long enough, I might do a weekly type of vlog thing, but who knows. You guys will know once I upload it. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it as that. I love you guys all so much, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.